Well, this is something called a skybug, and it's got a foam wing with a bit of strip wood on the leading and trailing edges, foam tailplane. You've got rudder elevator on there, a little skid at the back, wheels underneath. They won't be knocked off quite so easily. I'm going to move the wing a little bit out the way. A band-on wing. It could be a nitro craft. I think there's a possibility for it to be in that. But it's fitted with a 7.2 volt motor. It says 14 amp on there with a connection. So I think the motor speed controller is a Jetty JES 140 compact. Is that mounted onto the end of the motor? It must be. So you connect your battery directly to that. It's a geared motor, so that gears it down. I've not got a prop on this one. If you want a prop, I've got some props, but yeah, better. And it's got two servos fitted. It looks like the control wire. Yep, the control wire for one of the servos. It's just a straight piece of piano wire that goes through to the horn at the back. Balsa construction with the foam on there, and you fit your own receiver. So what you're buying here is airframe and motor with two servos, okay, complete with a wing. And I'm putting this in with the glider lot, though I do have a couple of nitro planes to dispose of, but I'll keep this because it's electric flight, and it looks like it's just a banded on motor. There's a peg going through there. The motor is banded on. That makes things being banded on give it a little bit more crash resistance, don't they? It looks like the tailplane's been damaged at one time, but there you are. And there's a little transfer or sticker on there to say a little bit more. Powered by Grosvenor speed motor. So that's what you've got there, an electric flight machine.